Next, we're going to talk about storing your soup. Glass, ideally glass, is the best storage for any of your foods. It doesn't contaminate the food, it doesn't leak into the food, and it keeps the food in the exact same form that you put it in. Never, ever store any tomato product, whether it's sauce or our fennel soup has tomatoes in it, in a metal bowl. It will leach out the metal of the bowl and it will contaminate the soup. It'll have a metallic taste and it's not good for you. As well as plastic. I know everybody loves these plastic containers, but especially the tomatoes can leach out some of the plastic into the soup, and it's not healthy for you. So I recommend everybody purchase some glass dishes. They have tops that are very convenient, and so you're just gonna ladle your soup, let it cool down, ladle it in. Don't put hot piping things in the refrigerator. Let it cool down just a little bit. And also with soup, you want to make sure it's not all the way to the top. Leave a little bit of space, because as you walk this in, you're going to jiggle and you don't want it spilling.